KAMBI-INI ya ihinda iria yambitwo kiharo-ini kia MICII-INI mwena wa Mathare iraikarwo ni makiria ya andu 1,000 aria mathamitio micii-ini yao ni MIIYURO ya MAAI kurumirira mbura nene iria ikoretwo ikiura. Thengia ya muhatikano wa andu mai matheru ma kunywa na cioro ni gatagati ka mathina maria thirikari iratangikira niguo kunyihia ugwati wa gutherema kwa mirimu iria icungagiririo ni mai ma giko.
Probably anticipated dirty water that may be here, and we may not want to have another catastrophe of disease burden. We already are having a burden in keeping people, so we do not want to have diseases like cholera, waterborne diseases.
We have provided water treatment centers so that if there's a problem, water is tested from our labs. Our labs are now capable to test. If there's a problem with the water, we will inform the public to prevent any problems. The third thing that we are doing with waterborne diseases, of course, is the treating of mass water that is being provided. And we have also identified vaccines to prevent. So if there are outbreaks of cholera, we will be responding adequately on time, as you have seen previously.
Ngwataniro-ini na ikundi itari cia githirikari umuthi Ministry ya UGIMA wa MUIRI ni heanire dawa cia gutheria mai kuri aikari aya uteithio makiria ugitanywo kuona namba nene ya aria maraikara KAMBI-INI no matiahotire kuhonokia kindu onake kuma micii-ini yao.
We've also partnered with our development partners to provide us with financial and technical support so that we are able to deal with the people who are living in the camps. The trauma is much, and it is important that we look into them and ease the anxiety that each one of the individuals living in this camp is harboring.
Hindi ya icera riri mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya UGIMA wa MUIRI MIRIMU atariria ati thirikari no iguthie na mbere guthurima KAMBI-INI niguo gutigirira ciana nini ni iramukira njanjo riri atumia aria mohete nda mathingatitwo kwaga gutiriria kwamukira motungata ma urigitani uria kwagiriire.
Long term diseases like HIV, they must not stop taking medication. We have already directed them to the nearest health facility to ensure they go and collect their medication there. And as a ministry, we will continue with the surveillance and also checking together with the county government on the patients, the long-term patients who are supposed to take their medication that they take on a daily basis.
Kwa ihinda riri aikari aya makoretwo makiamukira uteithio wa irio kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi makihoka gucokereria micii-ini yao kuona thukuru ni itanyitwo kuhingurwo ica ikuhi. Handu-ini ha KAMBI TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.